Yep.
All right. Hey. Hey everybody, my name is Andrew, and I'm here today with mainsplayingcards.com. All right, and today we are gonna teach you a move called combo number 5. It is a move I came up with back in 2016 as I was playing around with the move Lego Love. You will need to know how to do that move to be able to do this move. So please check that out and learn that, and then come back here and learn combo number 5. Alright everybody, so that is combo number 5. We're going to go ahead and jump into the over-the-shoulder explanation. So let's do that. You do need to know how to do Lego Love to be able to do this move. So back in 2016 I was playing with this idea, and what I loved about Lego Love is you get this nice extension with your right hand. So playing with that move, I wanted to see if I could get more of an accordion and see how far out I could take that move. And that's how I came up with combo number 5. The other things that you need to be able to know how to do is a charlier, a simple charlier, but you need to be able to do that fairly well. You need to be able to probably let your hands go flat, feel real comfortable with doing a charlier. And then the last thing you need to be able to know how to do is a simple corner Z cut. Alright, so a simple corner Z cut, a charlier, and then Lego Love. This is the explanation for this. We're just going to do all of those things at the same time. I'm going to do a setup where I lift up a small packet and I get ready for Lego Love by getting my pinky in there, and then I start doing the Z. And then once you're ready to do the move, you just extend that Z and do a charlier. Alright everybody, that is the move combo number 5. Let me go ahead and give you a few tips on combo number 5 just to make it look a little cleaner and a little better. The most important thing is your charlier cut. You really need to be comfortable doing a charlier cut, because when you do that charlier cut, to get it to look more mirrored and extended, you really want to keep your index finger underneath and kind of rotate it. It kind of makes a subtlety that mirrors the other side. So I'm doing Lego Love, corner, and a charlier, and I keep my index finger under there to kind of kick it towards the direction of the second card. And that will help you get that nice full extend. And that is the move combo number 5. I hope you enjoyed that. Hopefully that made some sense to you. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching, and hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, check out the video I made with Matthew Williams on location right here, and that video will be like here. Have a good day.